Standard 3rd, lesson number 2, so many kinds of animals. Can you tell? You will recognize the animals in the picture. Tell their names and also their special features. The special feature of deer is running. The special feature of cuckoo is its voice. The special feature of elephant is its big ears. The special feature of parrot is it can talk. The special feature of snake is climbing tree. Can you tell? Name us. Animals that can fly in the sky. Birds can fly in the sky. Animals that live in water. Fish live in water. Animals that are black. Crow and cuckoo are black. Animals that have many colors. Peacock has many colors. Very large animal. Blue whale. Very tiny animals. Ants. Where will you find us? An eagle flies high in the sky. A cow walks on the ground. Fish swim in water. We are of different colors. The egret is white. The crow is black. The buffalo too is black. But the peacock has many different colors. We may be big, we may be small. The horse and the bullock are large in size. The goat and the dog are of medium size. The mouse and the squirrel are small. The earthworm and the cockroach are smaller still. Gnats and ants are very tiny indeed. Can you tell which animal run very fast? Cheetah run very fast. Which animals move very slowly? Tortoise move very slowly. We move in different ways. A squirrel is a small animal. It is nimble. It climbs up a tree quickly and swiftly runs along its branches. The elephant's body is bulky. Its legs are heavy. The elephant cannot run at any great speed. The deer has thin legs. It runs very fast. A frog's hind legs are long, so it can easily hop, jump, and leap. Can you tell? Why do we keep cows? We keep cows because we get milk from them. Name some other animals that are useful to us. Hens, goat, and sheep are useful to us. You find us useful. People love to keep animals. The dog guards our house. People like to keep cats too. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Some people keep hens. We get meat, milk, and eggs from animals. Bullocks help with farm work. Hitched to a cart, they can draw heavy burdens too. Horses and donkeys too are used to carry burdens. We look after the animals we keep. We feed them. We take care of them when they are ill. The animals we keep become very dear to us. We, the gate crashers. Some animals enter our houses even though we don't want them. Mice and rats destroy stored grain, besides gnawing other things in the house. Sometimes we find bed bugs in our house. They suck our blood. Spiders make cobwebs in the house. Mosquitoes, flies, gnats, and cockroaches are a nuisance too. Even so, these troublesome animals too have an important place in nature. We have seen that animals around us can be grouped in different ways. We form these groups using our everyday observations. However, when scientists classify animals, they look at more important characteristics of animals. Let us see how they do it. We suckle our young. The young ones of animals like the cow, dog, goat, and rat grow up on their mother's milk. These animals have 4 legs. They have hair on their body. They have external ears. We fly. Birds have only 2 legs. They have 2 wings to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. There are differences in the flying ability of different birds. The eagle can soar high into the sky and stay in the air for a long time. But the cock does not fly high and comes down soon. We live in water. There are many different kinds of fish. They live in water. Fish have fins. They use their fins to move in water. There are scales on a fish's body. Do you know? A fish has gills behind its eyes. Fish use their gills to breathe in water. We creep and crawl. Chameleons, house lizards, and snakes are animals that crawl. They have scales on their bodies. Chameleons and house lizards have 4 legs, but these legs are very short. The snake does not have any legs at all. We are called insects. Butterflies have wings too, but we don't call them birds. They are insects. They are smaller than birds. Besides, they have 6 legs. Animals which have 6 legs are called insects. So, butterflies are insects. Mosquitoes, houseflies, and cockroaches are insects too. Do you know? Bats have wings, but they don't have feathers on their body. Young ones of bats feed on their mother's milk. Bats are not birds like the crow, sparrow, parrot, and cock. They are included in the group of the cow, tiger, deer, and mouse. This was about few animals we are familiar with, but there are many more animals in the world. There are a lot of differences in the colors, shapes, and sizes of animals. There are differences in the ways they move and the places they live in. These differences that we see among animals gives rise to the variety in animals. The number of animals that live in the sea is also very large. There is a great variety among them too. It is very interesting to learn about such animals. What we have learned. Different animals are found in the air, on the ground, and in water. There are differences in the colors, shapes, and sizes of animals and also in the ways they move. We find some animals useful. We keep such animals. Some animals are a nuisance for us. Scientists classify animals according to certain important characteristics. Always remember, variety is the rule in nature.